Aboruboye o, aboye boshishe, obuato, asure Iwori fun. Today we learn from the creed of the ancestors under Iwori by the right and Owonrin by the left. It speaks about the need for you to humble yourself and learn from those who know the way. This story is talking about Iwori, the younger brother to Owonrin, who is an initiate before his brother. Life was going smoothly for him. But because of his position in his family, his brother felt, I am too big to go to my younger brother to learn the secret of how to make wealth. The secret of making wealth only lies in doing what your Ori aligns you. Iwori learned it on time to become a Babalawo. And Owonrin went to make divination. I will not go to my brother, I will go to an outsider. But it was the outsider that sent him back to his younger brother. Go and learn from him. But I'm older than him. It does not matter. Be humble. You must learn to humble yourself before those who already become successful in the area of your pursuit. They make life easy for you, and they show you the way on time. Humility is the key. So he went to his younger brother, make divination. The only thing he needed to do is to join his younger brother in the work of nature, administering the secret of the universe to every mankind. Unfortunately, he doesn't have enough money to get his initiation done. His younger brother borrowed him the money. Immediately, he was an initiate. Immediately, he started learning. People started trooping into him, even more than his younger brother. He became wealthy as a Babalawo. He became internationally recognized, always going on tour and having a busy itinerary. He looked into the sky one day and said, Igi igbo abi duro kitikiti, igi odun abi di duro katakata. Igi odun eyi e ma sogbenu mo. Igi igbo e fara yin mora adia fun Iwori ti lo le nweri Owonrin. It means the trees in the forest, make yourself one together, irrespective of your hierarchy, your age, your size, or your financial background. For it is in cooperating with one another that you become a wilderness, a thick jungle, an Amazon. This is teaching us that we should humble ourselves before those who know the way. It does not matter if they are older, younger, poorer, more intelligent than us.